Hi, welcome back. As promised, we have a quick progress update. So we're just going to follow on from the last time that you saw the van 6 months ago. A lot's changed, and we'll start, I think, where we are now. So welcome to the back of the van. I think in our last video we'd only gotten up to building the bed, which is above my head at the moment. So yeah, we've built our corner sofa, we've got some storage here, storage over there. We've put all of our windows in now, as you can see. These ones are glass at the back, and we've got second-hand caravan windows down the sides of the van. But another benefit of having a bigger sofa is that we've got more storage hidden away. So underneath here is tools and things, and underneath this side is our heater, which you can see is vented there. Things that we're still working on over here. I want to swap these pouches for a more solid storage kind of diagonal area. So one of the big features over here that we've still not done is buying and setting up of a projector. So the plan with the projector is to have it somehow fixed over this way, and we're going to either use our blind as a screen, could work, might not, or we're going to buy some kind of canvas, or maybe even just a proper projector screen and have that so it pulls down just here, which means we'll be able to watch it when we're in our sofa position, or when we get the bed down and we can watch films in bed, which will be nice.
So onto the bed. We've had a lot of questions about how the bed works, and we are going to come to that. We're going to make a separate video about completely how it works, but brief introduction. Basically there's a pulley, 2 on each side, 1 in each corner, and it just gets hoisted up and down. These bits here allow it to lock at different heights. If you've seen on Instagram, we can lock the bed at different heights depending on where we want it. So if we want the bed here, more space underneath for whatever, then we can lock it halfway down. And as you can see in the day, the mattress, all the bedding just gets hoisted up. You don't have to make your bed every night, and it takes about 10 seconds to put it up and down. As you can probably see in the shot of the bed, we're not completely finished. That's why we're not doing a full van tour. These top storage bits here have just been shoved with junk. Basically, we haven't finished them yet, so it's things like that that we are trying to finish. The plan for these in the end is to have books in them, so when we're in bed we can just reach up, grab a book, but at the moment we've just shoved a load of stuff in there, haven't quite finished them, so that's one of the things we're still trying to finish.
So moving to our kitchen area, we've still got quite a lot of jobs to do here. We have already switched our hob top to a stainless steel new one, because our old one was, as we said in the last video, did we or not, that it was just needed replacing basically, so we've replaced that. Jobs that we've got left to do in the kitchen are just improving the storage situation. Because we've got a hatch, we've had to sacrifice some of the under storage. So we're making the most of that by using a spice rack and hooks under there for tea towels and things like that. Plans over here are long shelf, hanging shelf of some sort, so we can get all of our quick to reach cooking things up there. We need to put some shelves in these cupboards because at the moment it's just madness really. Over here we'd always planned to build something like this, but then we ended up getting both of these for free from various family members, so we've been utilising these. They're just from IKEA, I think, but we're going to maybe build something similar here in this corner, and then up here has become another classic junk shove it all in area. So another little bit to sort out is this area here. Batteries and our electric situations down there, but it all needs tidying and organising. We're going to put curtains, that's another job over here. We need curtains here, curtains here. The sink area is basically finished. We've just got to, I want to box off these pipes and add in a splashback. As you can see, it's already getting grimy.
Left some dishes there in the sink just to show you.
This is Joe's area.
Just to demonstrate exactly what the sink is used for.
This is the only organised cupboard in the whole van. So underneath the sink is our gas bottle and cleaning products at the moment.
Okay, so here in this walled off bit we have the bathroom, and as you can see here, lovely little glass windows to let a bit of light in there, bit of natural light if you're having a shower in the daytime. And then there's the door. You'll notice the door starts there. That's because underneath is the water tank and all the plumbing. So quite pleased with how the shower's worked out. I've got about that much room, couple of inches above my head, because obviously we're lifted off the floor. I'm about 5'9", 5'10", let's say. So the bathroom, it's nice and functional. You can do your business in there, or you can have a shower in there, you can brush your teeth in there, whatever, and it's nice. The only thing is, again, why this isn't a final tour of the van. Number one, we put a light in there and it got condensation in it, as you would expect really. We've got to redo the light in there. Also, with our sink, the plan was to always use the shower head to have a shower, and then also to somehow clip it on the wall, and then you could use it in the sink as well. But we haven't figured that out yet, so at the moment we've just got a shower head. Perfect for having a shower, not so good if you want to brush your teeth in the bathroom. So yeah, that's the bathroom. As you can see, we have added some storage already in the bathroom. Got a towel rack, got some storage for shampoo and all that stuff, but we'd like to add a little bit more, and then maybe a mirror or two. If you saw our previous van, we had mirrors all the way around in the shower, so maybe something like that. But overall, it's waterproof. The shower situation's really nice, so just like the rest of the van, just a few finishing touches we need to do.